to my channel if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. So I am officially back, but I'm taking it slow for my mental health. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Amazon. So yeah, I got me a diamond painting of Jesus, because I'm gonna be study about him and I'm gonna follow his footsteps, because he helped me save my life with my seizures, and I'm really grateful for that. And thanks to my neighbor, he showed this to my mom, and my mom got me this. I think it was yesterday. So this really helped me understand, like, you know, like what is God about and Jesus. So it's actually called The Bible Made Easy for Kids, and it's only $12.99 on Amazon. And then next, I have this amazing diamond painting kit. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. And this is under my mom just talking to her friends. So I got me 2 of these. This is a really good idea, because if you have like small diamonds like this, for example, you want to put one of the big ones in here. I mean, like the big container. And then, for example, like this. So that's what I have. And then they give you like 4 extra of these. And I don't know what the frick this is. And then they gave you this, for example. Okay. That's what it is. And it's a bead. I need to put them in the veins, so that's what I got. And I'm really happy and grateful to do this for my mental health. And then this is all the beads. I'm not gonna take them all out. I just want to show you. And there's just like extra bags for the beads, but so yeah, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I just want to show you guys. I don't want to make a mess. So. Oh, and this is like a sticky thing to stick these on there. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got. And there'll be more videos coming soon. I'm just taking it slow. And then yes, I am watching The Chosen, my favorite show at all times. I love that show. The guy who plays the guy who plays Jesus on Chosen, and Jonathan, he is a bomb. He's a good actor. If you haven't seen The Chosen, you need to watch. It used to be on Netflix, but all the seasons were on Amazon Prime. So go check it out. And I will probably do another video next week. I probably want to do it next weekend, because I'm busy helping during the baby shower. And I might be busy with family, so there's no videos on that. So thank you for joining. Hit the notification bell. I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.